Hello my friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. In today's video we are going to make 2+1 theater homemade sound system. I will tell you the whole process step by step. It will be very easy for you to make your own homemade theater system. Okay, so let's start my friends. I have here an old subwoofer wooden case here, as you see. It was just dirty and broken. I've just cleaned it and just remove everything inside it. I'm going to use this case for my subwoofer, and I have my homemade subwoofer here. It is 50 watt and 6 ohms. My homemade subwoofer I'm going to use for my project. And I have also two speaker here. These are each of them are 8 ohms and 10 watt speaker. I'm going to use these two speakers as well. And also I have my homemade amplifier, 2+1 amplifier. This one for subwoofer, and these two outputs for my speakers. Here is the input for music, and these are the connections for power supply. You can supply this amplifier with 12 to 24 volt. It will work between these range of voltages. So I'm going to use this homemade amplifier, and I have my Bluetooth module here and a voltage regulator, because when you we need a voltage regulator because when you supply your amplifier with 12 or 24 volts, but the Bluetooth module need to um, run with 5.1 volts, so you need to use a voltage regulator. So I've used the voltage regulator at the entrance of my Bluetooth module to regulate the voltage. Now I'm going to tell you how you can connect this amplifier, Bluetooth module, and everything together step by step, my friends. Now, first of all, I'm going to connect the input of the voltage regulator to the input of amplifier in parallel. Now I have to connect the input of the Bluetooth module to the input of the amplifier. This is the ground, left and right channel, ground, left and right channel. I'm going to just connect them. I'm going to apply some hot glue on here in order to prevent short circuit. Okay. Now I'm going to connect two pieces of copper wire to the power supply. Okay, my friends, now it's time to place the amplifier and Bluetooth module into the box. Now I'm going to connect my subwoofer to the box. Now I'm going to place my switch. Okay, my friends, our sound system is almost in. Now it's time to connect these two speakers to our system, my friends. The negative one and the positive. Okay, my friends, our sound system is ready to use. Now it's time to test it. We are going to see the sound of our system. I have my 15 volt power supply. I will just connect it and switched on. Now I am going to play music from my computer, but due to the copyright reason, YouTube copyright reason, I'm just going to play simple music. I couldn't choose a good song for my system, my friends. Okay, my friends, we get the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next videos, my friends.